Hey everyone, welcome to my channel where we dive deep into the world of forex trading. Today we are going to focus on a crucial aspect of trading, identifying supply and demand. Understanding these key market forces will give you an edge in your trading game. So let's get started. First thing first, let's talk about what supply and demand actually mean in the forex market. Supply refers to the amount of a currency available for trading, while demand represents the desire of trader to buy or sell that currency. The interaction between the supply and demand determines the price movement in the market. So guys, identifying supply and demand zones. To identify supply and demand zone, we need to look for areas where price has historically reacted strongly. These zones can be spotted on your chart as areas of consolidation or significant price reversals. Pay attention to areas where price has stalled or turned around sharply. As now that we know what to look for, it's time to draw our supply and demand zone on the chart. So for us to identify a supply or a demand zone on our chart, we need to highlight a level where price has reacted in the past. Okay, so this zone acts as potential reversal point where buyers or sellers are likely to enter the sell market. Okay, so guys, on our euro AUD chart right now, okay, so guys, we see the way market reacted to this level sharply, so making it to form a supply level here. Okay, and when market came back to the level here, we see the way market reacted to it sharply. Okay, so here is a supply zone. Okay, so guys, let me show you guys a demand zone. So here now we see the way market reacted to this level. Okay, so we see the way it reacted to this level sharply and started moving up. So guys, here is a demand zone. Okay, so we will highlight it and then wait for market to come to this level and react. Okay, and also here is a supply zone also. So we see the way market moved from this level with a very high speed. Okay, so when market gets to this level, it is likely to react to this level. Okay, so whenever market reaches this level, it will react to this level. Okay, so also let me show you guys some previous example, and also stay active on my channel. Okay, so make sure to subscribe to this channel so if you want to learn more about supply and demand, because I'm going to be making videos of it, live trading videos of it. I use supply and demand to flip small forex account. Okay, and I use it to give out forex signals also. So if you want to join my Telegram channel where I share free 95% accurate signals daily, check on this video description, guys. I'm gonna drop a link for you to follow to join my Telegram channel on this video description. So let me show you guys previous example of supply and demand. So we see how the market dropped from this zone and then it came here. We see the way it reacted and it went up. Okay, so we'll highlight this level here. Okay, so we highlight this level and then here the market came back to the level and then we see the way market reacted to the level. We see the way it skyrocketed. Okay, see the way it went up. So we can make our take profit at this next resistance level here, and then our stop loss we can make it below this level here, and our entry is here. Okay, so on this zone here is our entry, take profit and stop loss here. Okay, so let me show you guys more examples. So guys, here is another example on the 4 hours time frame here. So guys, here the market consolidated, okay, and then it dropped. Okay, so here is now our supply zone. So we are going to mark out this zone. So we are going to mark out this zone here. Okay, so here when the market came back to this level after it dropped, so we see what happened. So there's a weak rejection here, and then after the rejection we see the way the market dropped. Okay, see the way the market dropped. So guys, one thing you need to know when trading is timing your trades. Okay, timing is everything in forex trading. And knowing when to enter or exit a trade at supply and demand zone is key. Look for a confirmation signal such as trend line break, candlestick patterns, or indicator aligning with your analysis. This will help you increase your odds of a successful trade. Okay, so also I have a video on my channel how to enter and exit a trade. Okay, and my entry and exit strategy. So I get most of this confirmation on the lower time frame. Okay, but I analyze my chart on the higher time frame. Okay, and also you need to apply risk management. Okay, remember, trading is not just about identifying supply and demand zone, it's also crucial to manage your risk effectively. Set appropriate stop loss level to protect your capital and use proper sizing technique. This way, even if a trade doesn't go as planned, you won't blow up your account. So, in conclusion, congratulations, you have now learned the basis of identifying the supply and demand in forex trading. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep analyzing charts, spotting zones, and refining your trading strategy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks.